700 brake horsepower DC5. Smashed it, bro. Smashed it, bro. It's good to see it in person. Because you've been killing bare people. Man. Do it yourself?
Yeah, bro. I've took really done all the egg gasket recently.
Yeah.
Egg bolting.
Go through everything with me, the whole build.
Fully forged K28, built box, Precision 62, Skunk 2, ultra ported inlet, all custom overkill intercooler pipes, triple core aluminium rad.
Is that its max, for example, for the engine? The turbo, or can it handle more power?
That's how I lifted the head on the old head stud setup. I think it was at 28 psi. I really don't know what that was making. That was a pod, that was a door slammers when we was competing. So
you're up against over 1,000 brake cars.
I lost the qualifying round to a 1600 brake Canero thing.
Wow. Whoa, oh, fuel pump. That is mad, bro.
She makes some power.
700, bro.
I'll be warm when I get back.
Here we go, man. Oh, forgot my seatbelt.
Don't need that.
Finally, man. So this is a 2004 DC5. 2002. Did you get it standard?
Nah, not completely standard. It was boosted when I got it, and then it kind of just evolved.
Madness.
And then I've like lifted a head, blew an egg gasket, blew a gearbox. So it's just literally like when I broke something, make it strong enough.
It's quite louder than I thought it would be, you know.
Yeah, it is.
It's quite proper loud. Just a breakdown, quick breakdown before you give it. It's a K24.
K20, so still a K20, still 2 litre.
Mad.
It's got fully adjustable yellow speed colours out, it's got everything.
K Pro or
K Pro 4, yeah.
what inch exhaust is it?
So 3.5 all the way.
Got it custom made.
Yeah, that's it.
Madness.
All welded into cooler pipes as well.
What turbo is it?
62 mil on this.
Mad. Oh, it feels so good, bro.
I think you can drive it nice and smooth. So with a gearbox, so I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got no 5th gear. So in the gearbox, you got your driving, your neutral shafts, and the flitter, a cuff in the gearbox, you tie them all together. So that's why the gearbox is stronger. It's not straight at first as well.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 6.
So you have to do, so that's 4, no 5, nothing there, no gear there. Then
Mad.
all the ratios change, so my 6th gear is like a mix of a 5th and a 6th.
Yeah.
So like say if I do finish the race and I still need to go to last gear,
Yeah.
I don't drop out a boost.
Mad. Frankenstein business, man. Yeah, mad buzzing, man.
Started off in lower, then we're about 515, 520 at the minute. And then we'll flick it up to
No, live. What's the mileage on this?
just in kilometres, so it's about 87k.
Also, imported. And what clutch is this? H4 competition clutch?
Triple plate.
Triple plate, because that's not what's going to handle the power in it.
Yeah.
Mad.
So my left leg,
And that's a built gearbox.
built box as well, yeah. So you can hear the bit of a whine to begin with.
Yeah. Mad. What have you raced?
Raced a few things. The closest thing I've had is an 800 brake Super, JM Import Super.
Wow.
Yo, DC5's done him. Oh my days.
Oh, you done him? Ah, yes. That's what I'm talking about. You're really going to miss this, man.
This is my boost, that's on there behind the switch.
Oh, David.
Feel the difference in fare, so I'll give it some
that's faster than this.
That's the only problem.
I
On a
don't-
roll race, right? It's not much to keep.
It might be worth, but if we do sell it, let's get a cheap Civic.
Thinking of doing a budget now, about 50 grand.
Yeah.
Like in an EK or something.
Yeah. Something more, lighter. Or for pound to weight. Time no rush. I'd rather be safe and check time. It's not all
That's
about.
the thing, you gotta know when and when not.
Yeah. I'm all for that. I am gear issues. Couple of short though as well, that gearbox.
It is, and even got a short shifter, it's still cable.
Whoa.
Because of the box itself. Because I only had gear X 1 till 4.
Yeah.
Which is like the step just under sequential. So you got gear X, then you got sequential.
Yeah.
The next step. That's like that big.
How much is that gearbox we were asking?
Probably looking about 5.5.
£5.5 grand. Whoa. But it's worth it though, isn't it?
Yeah. So if you did a labour and stuff yourself and that, but the actual
Yeah.
internals of the gearbox is really tricky. You have to get your tolerances all and that.
Yeah. Man. Yeah.
Still in hard usage.
Yeah, it's so practical.
So most people get annoyed with like the swirl button and stuff, but I like it. It adds to the vibe of the car.
Yeah. And the crazy thing is, you don't even have crazy dials everywhere.
Except for if I had never had the screw around the bonnet, you
Yeah.
can tell.
Wow. That's
Because
mad.
it's Ford, so the boost is.
Yeah,
So it's okay, that is. So you just roll that through. Nice to get you sometime. Nice to get you sometime.
Oh my goodness. That was mad.
You get a little bubble in the road, that's it. Yeah. And it's sometimes like it'll catch you out. You know, running this car through front wheel drive, you're never not going to get torque steer. It's either one. Sometimes it will spin in third, sometimes it won't.
Yeah.
As soon as it hazes them a little bit, then that's it.
Mad.
Fourth, it usually puts it down. But any tiny little bit of damp or anything, that's it.
Have you had any close encounters like that one?
Yeah, I've had a few. That weren't close. I've had a few close.
Oh!
More braking distance. I've been like, oh,
Yeah. Slowing down. Man. How much is this weight?
between 11 and 12
That's quite light.
kilo, yeah.
I think it is the quickest car I've been in.
But with a rolling race in an Evo, like,
Yeah.
I'd say you've got to be running like 758, maybe.
I can't believe it, man. I'm proper like gassed, man. Literally. Maybe get a cheap one and four-wheel drive it.
I don't know if my skills are good enough for that.
Yeah. I gotta try. You gotta learn.
Definitely.
You gotta like.
But and even that, the labour's too expensive. So
Yeah,
I'd
yeah,
rather
yeah,
trial and
yeah.
error. That's the only problem there. Like when I say to people, nah,
Go
we're
on.
coming to get rid. What are you getting next? What are you getting next? Like they automatically expect it to be better than this. Like, and I'm
Oh, nah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Man. Do you drive this, do ya? You do drive it? You crazy guy? Okay. You know this car inside out. It's a baby girl one. I can see.
Sometimes I get a pal in here that had been in here before, like one of the pals that ain't really into cars.
Yeah.
And I'll just start telling me something till you stand it.
Yes.
Alright, under, and then flick it.
Right.
You have to cut this out for the all the rads uprated as well. So
Yeah.
triple core aluminium rad, and that goes in there. Sweet ass.
Mad, bro. That is still hot, man, as well. Jeez. This has got to be the fastest. It's a frightening car when you're in fourth, third gear. It's the fastest car I've been in.